Hi, boys and girls. So, today is day 2 for writing your sentences for your realistic fiction story. And so, I was able to finish my story and I would like to share it with you. One cloudy day, Marie and Diana were walking to school. They walked together every morning. They both enjoyed playing on the monkey bars and playing kickball in gym class. I'm so excited to play kickball today. It's my favorite, exclaimed Marie. Diana replied, I love kicking it high over everyone's head. As Marie and Diana were walking, it started to rain a little. Diana took out her umbrella and shared it with Marie. Then suddenly a strong gust of wind came and blew the umbrella out of Diana's hands. Oh no, we're going to get soaked by the time we get to school, Marie screamed. It started to rain even harder. Then Marie had a great idea. She took off her jacket and both girls held it over their heads. It's working, Diana said. They both continued to walk to school. It's better to have my jacket be soaked than our whole bodies, Marie said. They had a great day at school and won their kickball game. And so this is my realistic fiction story. So what you're going to do today is you are going to finish writing your sentences and then you're going to turn it in so I can read it. I can't wait to read your story. Please make sure that you're still doing your best. You're adding periods and capitals and dialogue and feelings and thoughts. So make sure you're adding those things into your writing. Can't wait to read it.